This FireCore Stud Finder is absolutely the easiest and the most convenient stud finder to use. Why the easiest? It is because it works on magnets. I'm going to show you how to use it. And why the most convenient? It is because it has integrated leveler and also it has a laser beam. Let me show you how to use it. So you turn the laser beam on with this on-off switch, and by the way, it comes included with two AAA batteries that are here. You need to remove the plastic wrapping from the batteries for them to work. And you put it on the wall where you want to find the stud, and you just slide it slowly on the wall until you feel its magnets pulling. It means it found screws that are holding the stud. So now it found the stud, and when it finds the screws, see how it is now like on the wall by itself. And when you find the studs, adjust the leveler here and see how it is convenient, because the laser beam will give you the exact alignment of the screws in case you want to put screws, so you don't have to measure each time you want to put a screw. You just mark it here with a pencil and then you put the screw, and this is really very good. And also you can use it horizontally. When you use it horizontally, also make sure that it is leveled here. Let me zoom in for you to see the leveler. So see how it is leveled here. And now you have a leveled line horizontally in case you want to use it like this. One word of caution: never look at the laser beam directly because it is harmful for your eye. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.